So now let's go with file optimization. Okay, so now this is the thing that is related to your CSS and JavaScript. Now guys, to make any website you require CSS, that is generally related to design, and JavaScript are some HTML codes. So it's very much important for building any website. Okay, so you have to even optimize this thing. So for example, you can see when I will right click, you will see something called as view page source actually. So from here you will see that every file has this minimum dot css, and at very bottom you will also going to see basically JavaScript, that is dot as JavaScript. So now if you will open any of this file, maybe let's open this file. So you can see for every specific file you have so much text here. If I will remove minimum from here, so it will look so big. So guys, what this option will going to do is that it will going to minimize the thing, so everything you will going to get in the sequence. So for example, right now here you can see everything is in one link. Okay, so it will going to just optimize this CSS and JavaScript for your website. So what you can do is that it's quite risky. What let me show you. First of all, first enable this option, click on activate minify CSS. Now I said that this option is risky, so it could break your website. So what I will recommend is that activate minify CSS, and after you will do this, just click on save changes, and let's wait for it to get save changes, and then make sure you open it in a private window and just see how your website is now looking. Is everything break or it's working properly? So you can see in my case my website is working absolutely fine. Okay, so my website has not break up. If I will go to, let's say, courses, so let's see whether everything is good or things are break here. Okay, so let's see, let's open this you course. Nothing is break. Okay, so you can see almost everything is working fine. In my case my website is not break. So make sure to, when you enable that option, how your website is looking. So right now when I have enabled this feature, so my website haven't broken up, but in your case it may, but the chances are very less. So if the website will be break, so the animation will not going to look like this. You will not going to see these designs and everything. Okay, so that will going to show that your website is broken. So in your case, if it is broken, so make sure you untick it and again click on save changes, then do not activate this option. Okay, but in my case everything is fine, so I will make it activated. Now I can also enable this option, activate combine CSS, also enable this option as well, activate remove. Okay, then just click on save changes. Now let's again see actually whether everything is again very great in my website or not. Everything is performing great. Okay, nothing is broke, everything is fine. Okay, everything is almost fine. Okay, so in my case everything is fine. And for the best, this option is given. Let's enable this man. Okay, great. So okay, so let's it be, then simply again just click this one, same, activate minify combine. Or let's, before you combine it, actually let's save it. When you do the JavaScript, same thing, you have to again recheck your website that everything is fine with your website or not. So let's again open it. kukucourses.com. Okay, so my website is loaded. Great, everything is looking, I guess, absolutely fine with my website. Okay, great. Okay, so nothing is broken up, so everything is fine. So I have minified CSS, also enable this one, activate, load JavaScript, delay, everything, just enable everything, and then just click on save changes. Now let's see again that whether our website is again working fine or not. So again, just open it in a private window, click on kukucourses.com, your website domain name, and again see whether everything is working fine with your website or not. Let's see about, for example, okay, okay, so everything is just working fine. And of course, do follow us in our Facebook page. 100,000 followers. Follow us on YouTube. Right now it's 15,000 subscribers. And just follow us on Instagram, 60,000 followers. You can just follow us in our social media as well from kukucourses.com. Okay, so everything is fine actually with the file optimization in my case. But make sure according to your website, just see if it's hurt your website in any way, so just disable that option. In my case, nothing has happened to my website. My website is working absolutely fine. There's nothing broken up in my website. So I will make it is stay enable, and again just click on save changes. So this was the guys thing about CSS and JavaScript. So what it will actually going to do is that it will going to combine it, and it will going to make your website more optimized. Okay, so please keep this thing in mind. Okay, so this was the thing, guys, I want to tell you about this uh, our file optimization part.